Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. My name is Symone, first of all. It's an introduction. I created this YouTube channel in order to document my new financial journey that I'm going to start. Basically, I hope to inspire others along the way, as well as learn as much as I can in order to become a little bit more financially grounded. I don't know about you guys, but for me, the past year and a half has been horrible for me financially. I haven't been making great decisions, and 2022 we want to clean things up a little bit. Okay, so this space was created in order to keep me a little bit financially grounded, most of all. And yeah, in order to kickstart the new year and my new journey, I wanted to start off by creating some financial goals. So let's just jump right in to this video. So first things first, I think whenever you create any type of goal or vision board or anything like that, try to have some kind of word in order to keep you kind of on track. And my word for the year the year is going to be discipline. Okay, we want to be disciplined in our financial decisions, and we want to be disciplined overall. So that's my word for the year to kickstart things off. So my number one goal for this year is to save $10,000. I know it's a lot, but that's what I want to try and do. I want to save $10,000, and the way that I plan to kind of take baby steps to get to my $10,000 goal is to do things like sinking funds, as well as saving challenges. Okay, yeah, so those are the two things that I want to focus on in order to get to my number one goal for the year. My second goal is to create some type of side hustle. All right, so we want to create a side hustle. And by side hustle, I mean YouTube. YouTube is one side hustle that I am thinking of on top of my head. Let's just put that there because this is a documentation. Okay, so YouTube, as well as build my online business. Okay, that's something I want to work on. I currently have an online business, but I really need to work on my marketing and just getting my name out there. So that's why I still have this on there in YouTube. Like, this channel is brand new. I have like barely any subscriber at all. So I want to build YouTube and potentially turn that into a side hustle. My third goal for the year is to complete all of my saving challenges. Okay. Okay, and I write like loud and hard, so just pardon moi for that one. Okay, moving on to my fourth goal for the year is to save a buffer of about $1,000 for my emergency fund. So I want to save $1,000. And I'm not just going to stop there at 1,000. This is just to create a baseline for me. And all of these goals that I'm writing down, I hope to complete them by December 31st. So by the end of the year, that's what we're going to give ourselves. I should just like write that up here. So by December 31st, okay, 2022. So this is the deadline that we're working with, December 31st, 2022. Okay, moving on. My 5th financial goal for the year is to earn some extra income. And that can be through YouTube, through my online business, and so forth. So earn extra income. So I don't know if you guys are realizing, but these goals tend to build off of each other as I go down on my list. I really wanted to think about these thoroughly in order for me to accomplish anything at all. So it's more of a domino effect where each goal kind of helps me accomplish the other goal. Okay, so saving the $10,000, I'll be doing my sinking funds, my saving challenges, creating a side hustle that will kind of help me get to this goal. And yeah. So my 6th financial goal is to do some investments. Okay, so I'm gonna say build / investment. Portfolio. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. So for building my investment portfolio, I've been looking into Wealthsimple. What's that app called? I totally forgot, but it'll come to me. But it's like that Wealthsimple app. I'm pretty sure everyone on YouTube has seen it like pop up in their like something on that little thing. You know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to do a little bit more investing because I want to build my portfolio and invest some more. So that is something that I'm really looking forward into, and that will help me to get to my $10,000. Yes. So my 7th financial goal is to continue to be financially savvy. You know, we need to make sure, I'll just shorthand that, continue to be financially savvy. Okay, and I want to make managing my finance more of a lifestyle as opposed to just a one-time thing. In order for me to stay on track continuously, I need to make this thing a lifestyle. So that is one of my goals. Moving on, my 8th goal is to pay down my debt. I really wanted to say pay it off, but I have so much debt right now that, yeah, paying it off is not going to be an option, especially in 1 year. Like, I would love for that to happen. If it does, like, big pat on my back, but I want to get it down to a manageable place where I'm able to breathe a little bit. Right now, that's not what it is. Okay, but we're gonna get that in order. That's our goal. But the one thing that I wanted to pay off was my car loan. I really want to pay off my car loan, and I think I can. It's not that much. I mean, it's just a little bit under $6,000 if I'm being honest, and I think I could pay that off by the end of the year. Okay. So my 10th goal, kind of piggyback off the car loan, is to pay my my car insurance premium. Okay. So pay my car insurance premium, and that will help me to be a little bit more financially savvy, because right now I'm paying it off monthly, and you lose a lot of money when you pay your car insurance off monthly. I'm not sure if you're aware of that, but if you pay it quarterly, like once every 6 months, which would be twice a year, you save some money. And then if you pay it annually, you save even more money. So that's what I want to do. Once I pay off my car insurance, I want to make sure that I start paying off my car insurance premium yearly as opposed to monthly, and save some money, which will essentially, I should say, help me get to my 10,000 by the end of the year. Okay, so those are my 10 financial goals that I have set for the year, and I plan to get these goals accomplished by doing sinking funds and saving challenges and just getting in tune with my finances. I really hope you follow along as I document my journey, and yeah, let's just get financially savvy together. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you just tag along. Until next time, bye y'all.